So this is my second photo shoot for today. I'm so tired. I just looking for a lot of things and put all my driver on my computer. You will see.
I should put more. Wait, I check how it's.
Maybe more, but it's okay because I can fix it on my Photoshop.
You sure?
Yes. I will just check the black and copy and paste next.
The cigarettes you get? No?
No, we don't
Fuck.
smoke it.
Maybe we go to the shop?
No, it's not so close.
It's very important for the, for the old stuff. No, it's far from here?
Yeah, it's a lot of work in the up.
Okay, on the
style.
hill.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I will do it in the end. Rough day. I need to finish my project for Democrat TV. Because of the photo shoot, don't put my focus on this, and now I need to fix it, and I got a lot of things to do. Oh, it sucks. But it was a good day because I picture, and I love my both session today. Not so really, but I love because they have a different side of this element.